Nowadays in the social media like YouTube search engine or in the Google search engine, there are a lot of search in what? You can say that how to hack Facebook account, how to hack Twitter, how to hack YouTube, how to hack Instagram account. There are a lot of searches, and under these searches there are a lot of videos, and there are a lot of videos get viral on these that by this trick you can hack any Instagram account, by this trick you can hack any Facebook account, and for that reason there are a lot of videos on that. And most of the videos, not only most of the videos, I can say that the 100% videos are fake, because they just take a clickbaited title and they just take a clickbaited thumbnails and they take the viewers on their video, and there they show a trick. That trick will not work for you and you get depressed, and for that now you just go to in the online search engine and search a lot of sites, and there you will also get a lot of sites which also promise you to hack any type of accounts like Instagram, Facebook. There are a lot. They just show you that it's hacking, but it's not. And after that they just give you some files. And here guys, in this video we will also talk about like this type of one site. This is most popular and viral site. This is the Instahaxor. Is it real or fake? Some people say that it's fake and some people say that it's real, but there have a lot of comments in the YouTube boxes that it's a real site and they just spamming this, and here they just do it. So in this video we will reveal this, whether it's working or not, and if it works, that time how, and if it not, that time what you have to do and what it can also hamper you. So let's start this video with me. This is Muhammad Sajid Hassan. You watching Sajidz Tech. Before just starting this video, there are a bit request from me. If you are not already the subscriber of my channel, then please subscribe and please like this video. And if you do so still now, so thanks a lot. Start this video with you. So friends, we are in our mobile phone and we will start. So for that, first of all, we will open up a browser, and here you can use any type of. So from here I will use the Google Chrome, and here I will search like InstaHaxor, Instahaxor. So here this is the site. The first is the InstaHaxor.com, and from here you will get a page like this. So from here now click on this open Instahaxor, and here you need to give that specific username of that specific ID, which ID you want to hack. So here from I will give the username of that Instagram, and here where from you will get this Instagram username, that is from here. So here guys, this is my Instagram username, this is the Sajidz Tech. So here I will give, so now click on this hack, and here guys, after just making this, you can see that this is my profile is on, and from here it just explode this profile and it's 100% okay running the explode in my profile, and now it running the rainbow table to hack this password. So here it just assume that your account has hacked successfully. To get this password, they show that click here to get the password. Now click here, and here guys, it wants a human verification, so let's make a human verification. So here guys, you can see that whenever you're going to make a human verification, that time they say that call to unlock your content, click to call here a fun chat while waiting for your content, stay on the call until your content unlocks. Here guys, according to me, this is a way to detect your mobile device or your PC, and by this way you can also lost your passwords too. So guys, don't click on this. Here you will get another verification sometime. So what's that verification? So here it is guys, they have a comment is that post the comment below to the YouTube. That means to prevent the robot abuse, you are required to complete human verification by posting each comment below to the video on this left. So here it is, on that video I need to paste out this comment here. So one by one I need to go to here. Now click here, and from here I just copy that, and here I need to click here to open that video, and here it is guys, this is the video is here, and now here I need to comment up that video. I need to just copy that comment from here and just paste out that comment here, and here it is guys. I just add my comment is there, and here guys I also comment on that 4 last videos too. So I just skip my that video and just comment on those all the videos there. So here it is guys, I have copied and paste all the comments on that specific videos, and here you need to click on the verify option. Here you will get another verification sometime. So what's that verification? That may be a quiz contest, and after just completing the quiz contest, they just show you that you are not successfully done this. Here you can't answer anything correctly. So here guys, by this way they just suffer you to get the password. So friends, I just suggest you don't use this Instahaxor. It can also hack all the passwords from your mobile device too. So here guys, after just reviewing this site, we can see that it's really fake. So guys, don't use this site and don't be a dogma by other people's comments. It's not real. And here guys, I have also give you another information is that if you want to use this, or if you agree to use this, sometime it may also hack your mobile phone, and by this hacking it can also leak some data from your mobile phone, and most of the time it also can hack your passwords like your Facebook, Instagram and others, and by that it can also hamper you a lot. So guys, I can say that please save from these sites, because these sites are not real and there are a lot of spamming on this. So guys, this is the thing that I want to share with you. Now it's your turn guys, whether you should use it or not. Guys, if you get the right answer at that time, please give a like and comment me below that you understand. And guys, please share this video with your friends so that your friend also get the right path. So guys, no more today. We will meet in the next video. So till the end, take care. Have a nice day.